How cute is this doll's house from Aldi? I absolutely adore it. I saw it on the press day. And you can buy this for only £39. Isn't that amazing? I love how they have like little doors and solar panels, and the stairs can move and can come loose and you can move it. But I think it can be even cuter. Because kids, they really like familiar things. They like what they know. So wouldn't it be cool if I transform this house to look like the inside of our house? Let's give it a go.
We're sitting in the shade. It feels so right. We've really got it made. We'll soon take flight.
I love how that turned out. It's so much fun having a mini version of a house in our house. And I really hope the doll's house is going to give Kiki hours of fun playing with it. You normally used of me doing tutorials as in step-by-steps, as in do this, do that. This is more of an inspirational video, what you could do with your doll's house. Because your furniture is going to be completely different than mine, but as you can see, it's so easy making your own furniture. I use a lot of balsa wood, which is a very thin wood you can easily cut with a craft knife or with scissors. But if you don't have that, use cardboard, like a thick cardboard perfectly as well. So other things I use is glue gun, normal glue, scrap bits of fabric, some paper, matchsticks are really good, or even popsicle sticks are really lovely to make your own furniture. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a like or a comment which room you like best. I definitely would live on my balcony, I think, with all the plants. I love that, and also have a horse in the garden. I really hope you enjoyed this video. See you back soon here on Handmade Home. And also let me know, are you gonna make presents this Christmas? Any handmade presents? Any tutorials you want from me? Hit me a comment below, and you never know, I might turn it into a video. See you soon.